Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And today's topic is one of positivity and will enhance your ketogenic lifestyle and diet and help you sustain it from day to day, week to week, month to month. And that is the topic of laughing. Yes, it's positive medicine. Laugh and have fun. Incorporating fun and laughter into your daily life on the ketogenic diet. Let's talk about this in depth. In the journey of adapting a ketogenic lifestyle, many of us focus intently on macros, meal planning, and the science behind ketosis. While these aspects are essential for achieving our health and weight loss goals, there's another crucial element that often gets overlooked. That is having fun and laughing. Integrating joy and laughter into your daily life can enhance not only your keto journey, but also your overall well-being. Here's how and why you should prioritize fun and laughter every day. Let's speak about the importance of laughter. Laughter is a universal language that has the power to bring people together and create a positive atmosphere. It's often said that laughter is the best medicine, and there's science to back that up. When you laugh, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that help you to reduce stress and improve your mood. Lower stress levels are especially beneficial for those on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet, as stress can negatively impact your ability to stay in ketosis. Moreover, laughter improves immune function, boosts heart health, and even reduces pain. For those committed to the keto lifestyle, incorporating more laughter into your day can help you counteract some of the challenges and stressors you might face, making the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Now let's speak about several examples of how we can find fun in your keto journey. Number one, keto cooking parties. Cooking can sometimes feel like a chore, but it doesn't have to be. Turn your meal prep into a fun event by inviting friends, family, and acquaintances over for a keto cooking party. Sharing recipes, experimenting with new ingredients, and enjoying the process together is a meaningful experience. This not only makes cooking more enjoyable, but also provides an opportunity to share your passion for keto with others. Number two, join keto communities, whether it's a local meetup group or an online forum. Connecting with others who share your dietary lifestyle can be incredibly rewarding. Engage in fun challenges, share success stories, and participate in discussions that make you laugh and feel connected. Social interactions and community support are vital for maintaining motivation and enjoyment. Number three, fitness with a twist. Exercise is an integral part of a healthy lifestyle and can be a lot of fun too. Try incorporating laughter into your yoga routines, dance classes, or even a game of tag with your kids. It can be very enjoyable. Physical activity that makes you smile and laugh can improve your physical health and keep your motivation high. Number four, watch comedies or stand-up shows. Take some time to unwind by watching a comedy, movie, or a stand-up comedy show. Laughter can be a great way to relax and forget about the stresses of your day. This can be especially helpful if you're feeling overwhelmed by the demands of the keto diet. Now, let's speak about bringing joy to everyday moments. Number 1, start your day with positivity. Begin your day with something that makes you happy. It could be watching a funny video, reading a comic strip, or sharing a joke with a loved one. Starting your day with a smile sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Number 2, be sure to laugh at yourself at times. Don't take yourself too seriously. Everyone makes mistakes and miscues, and it's okay to laugh at your own mishaps. Whether it's burning your keto pancakes or forgetting an ingredient, find humor in the little things. This attitude can help you stay lighthearted and resilient. Number 3, surround yourself with humor. Keep humor within reach. Follow social media accounts that make you laugh, read funny books, or keep a collection of jokes handy. Surrounding yourself with sources of laughter ensures you have a go-to when you need a mood boost. So in conclusion, incorporating fun and laughter into your daily life is more than just a way to feel good. It's a vital part of a healthy and sustainable ketogenic lifestyle. By prioritizing joy, you can reduce stress, improve your health, and make your keto journey more enjoyable. So don't forget to laugh, have fun, and embrace the lighter side of life as you continue your path to wellness. Remember, a happy heart is a healthy heart, and laughter truly is the best keto-friendly medicine. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. And please, if you have them, leave me any comments or questions below this video. I would be very honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for doing that. And again, this is SWt&x from beautiful Miami, Florida. We look forward to speaking to you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.